Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix alarm no sound on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, if you want to fix this problem, so turn off silent mode. After turn off silence mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on clock app. After click on clock app, so allow alarm. After allow alarm, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search clock app. After click on clock app, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it's not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix alarm no sound on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.